The Duke of Edinburgh's International Award is the world's leading youth achievement award and has transformed the lives of millions of young people over the past 60 years. In today's uncertain world, young people face more challenges than ever, from struggling education systems to increasing inequality and greater competition for jobs and resources. All this uncertainty contributes to a growing frustration that can leave young people feeling excluded from society and unable to find their place in the world. As a global framework for non-formal education, the award helps young people deal with these and other problems and is open to anyone between the ages of 14 to 24, regardless of gender, background, or ability.
The award helps many young people to unleash their potential and build up their caring heart for others. The award is a self-challenging program. You can learn more than you expect. Don't miss it.
By creating opportunities for young people to develop skills, get physically active, give service and experience adventure, the award gives them the chance to challenge themselves, leave their comfort zones, and gain invaluable experience for the future. There are 3 levels to the award, and each level has 4 sections, with a 5th at gold level. Participants complete their activities with the guidance of an award leader, and at each level increase the time, commitment, and challenge in order to achieve an award. Doing the award means young people gain skills that are best learned outside the classroom, including building confidence, gaining teamwork skills, and developing greater resilience and problem-solving abilities.
What I learned is that to achieve anything, you've got to be committed, you've got to be dedicated, and you mustn't give up when the going gets tough.
I started to see that I had the potential to be who I want to be and not be restricted by my wheelchair.
It's also proven to help with attainment in education, as well as help with future job and study prospects. I was surprised at what I achieved. I wasn't the first to have my life changed by the award, and I won't be the last. There's more in you than you think.
Before I joined the award, I had an outline of who I was, but after I joined, I saw the full picture with colour.
The award taught me lots of things, but probably amongst the most important is self-reliance, being independent, and just having the confidence to go out there and achieve amazing things.
It's unbelievable for me that I found a new world. I started a new beginning of my life.